Hi guys, my name is Chichi and I am going to do a wig review today. Today I am going to do a wig review for a wig that I just got on Amazon, and it's called Aisi Hair Bob Curly Wig Synthetic, and I'm gonna review it. I'm gonna try it on. I'll tell you guys what I think of it, if I recommend it or not. Okay, it comes in a black bag like this, and like I said, it's Aisi hair. That's a Aisi hair. It comes with two wig caps. Well, it's one, but it's two in it. Two wig caps, which is nice. So I don't have to buy new wig caps. Um, this is a note on how to wear and how to wash the hair. It's nice. Okay. Yeah, it also has another wig cap, the net. I don't know whichever one you prefer. I prefer this one, although brown one that they gave. That's what I like to wear my hair with, wig with. But whatever you prefer, they have two different kinds of wig cap for you. And this is the hair. I already opened it a little bit. Okay. It came with a net too, so it's not just out there. This wig has two combs in it. It's not a closure or any lace in it. It's just a wig cap. I am gonna work on the bangs because I feel like it's a lot. I'm just gonna try to, cut out some and trim it up and see how it goes. Okay. I love the hair. It's not bad, like I mentioned before. It has two combs. There's no lace in it, so it's just a wig cap. It's shedding a lot. That's something I have to say. That there's a lot of shedding in this wig. Um, but hey, it's $17. I mean, you can do more with the bangs. I'm probably gonna work on the bangs later on, but right now, um, I'm just gonna leave it as it is. And if I don't feel like having a lot of bangs, I can always do this. That's just the lazy way of doing it. Instead of trying to trim or do whatever, just come bit to the side and have, you know, lighter bangs and not just have too much bangs going on. You see what I did there? That's the cheat code. But anywho, yeah, the wig is not bad by itself. Um, I think I could do more with it. I think I could play with the bangs more. For $17, it's a great hair. I like the curls. I also, like I said, it's shedding a lot. Like right when I brought it out, it was just like a lot of hair coming out already. If you have any questions, let me know. I would ask any questions, but I do plan on making more wig reviews in the upcoming week. Hopefully, my videos are gonna be better. Hopefully the quality is gonna be better too, and hopefully I can get to do more videos as I go on. Like I won't stop because I do plan on making wig videos, makeup videos. We'll see. We'll just talk. Whatever comes along the way. I do plan on, just getting engaged, especially during this time. So let me know if you have any questions for the hair. I personally like it, and I'm the kind of person I believe in. You get what you pay for. For a $17 wig, you couldn't ask for more. It's perfect. So let me know if you have any questions. Let me know. Thumbs up. Give me feedbacks on the video. Tell me what I could do better. Tell me where I need improvement. Tell me what I could talk about more. You can give me suggestions of what you think I should talk about more in my next video.